Soup's on. The idiom soup's on is an informal way of saying the food is ready, or it's time to eat.
Soup's on. Come and get it before it gets cold.
Finally, I've been starving all day.
I made your favorite, creamy mushroom soup with garlic bread.
You're the best, it smells amazing.
I hope it tastes just as good as it smells.
I'm sure it will. You always make the best soups.
Here you go. Careful, it's still really hot.
I don't care, I'm too hungry to wait.
All right, but don't blame me if you burn your tongue.
Oh wow, this is so good, it's so creamy and flavorful.
Glad you like it. The secret is a little bit of parmesan at the end.
Ah, that explains the rich taste. You should seriously open a restaurant.
Nah, cooking is fun when it's just for friends. No pressure, no rush.
Well, I'm lucky to be one of those friends then.
Of course. So, how was your day?
Pretty exhausting, but this soup makes everything better.
Food does have that magic, doesn't it?
Absolutely. And when someone else makes it for you, it tastes even better.
That's the trick. Now, eat up before it gets cold.
Don't worry, this bowl will be empty in no time.
Be off the hook. Be off the hook is an informal usage, meaning something is amazing or outstanding.
That concert last night was off the hook.
I know, right? The energy in the crowd was insane.
And the band's performance? Absolutely off the hook. I've never seen them play that well before.
Their lead guitarist was on fire. His solo in the last song was unreal.
I swear, the entire setlist was perfect. Every song they played was a hit.
And the visuals? The lighting effects were off the hook too.
I wasn't expecting the fireworks at the end. That was the best finale ever.
Same. I thought the show was over, and then boom, fireworks everywhere.
Honestly, I've been to a lot of concerts, but this one was something else.
Definitely. The energy, the music, the atmosphere. Everything was just off the hook.
Even the opening act was incredible. Usually, I don't pay much attention, but they killed it.
Right? They set the mood perfectly. By the time the main band came out, the crowd was already hyped.
I think what made it even better was how interactive the band was with the audience.
Yeah, when the lead singer jumped into the crowd, I lost my mind.
That was the highlight for me. It felt like we were part of the show.
And let's not forget the sound quality. It was so crisp and powerful.
Everything about last night was just off the hook. I still can't believe how amazing it was.
I already want to go to their next concert. No way I'm missing it.
Same here. If their next tour is anything like last night, it's going to be legendary.
For sure. Best concert ever.
Duke it out. Duke it out means to fight or compete fiercely, either physically or verbally, to settle a disagreement.
If they can't agree, I guess they'll just have to duke it out in the next meeting.
You think it'll really come to that?
I don't know, but both of them are way too stubborn to back down.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it turns into a full-blown argument.
Same here. They've been at each other's throats for weeks now.
It's about the budget, right?
Yeah, one wants to cut costs, the other wants to invest more in marketing.
They both have valid points, but they just can't seem to compromise.
Exactly. And knowing them, they'll probably keep going until someone steps in.
Maybe the boss should make the final call before they actually duke it out.
That would be the best solution, but you know how he is. He wants them to work it out themselves.
Well, that's not going to happen anytime soon.
Nope. They both love proving they're right more than anything else.
Honestly, at this point, they should just take it to a boxing ring and get it over with.
Now that would be something to watch.
I'd buy tickets.
Me too, though I doubt HR would approve.
Yeah, probably not. Still, it'd be more productive than another 3-hour meeting.
Agreed, but for now, we just have to sit back and watch them duke it out verbally.
Let's just hope it doesn't turn into a real fight.
Cut ties. Cut ties means to end a relationship or connection with someone or something completely.
I think it's finally time to cut ties with Mark.
Wait, what? I thought you two had been friends for years.
We have, but lately, he's been taking advantage of my kindness.
How so?
He only reaches out when he needs something, never just to check in or hang out.
That does sound one-sided. Have you talked to him about it?
I have, but he always brushes it off like it's no big deal.
That's frustrating. Friendships should be a two-way street.
Exactly, but with him, I feel like I'm just being used.
Then maybe cutting ties is the right thing to do.
It won't be easy though, we've been through a lot together.
I get that, but if he's not valuing your friendship, what's the point?
Yeah, I just don't want any drama.
You don't owe him an explanation. Just step back and let the friendship fade.
That's probably the best way. No confrontation, no hard feelings.
Exactly. Sometimes, people grow apart, and that's okay.
I just wish he had been a better friend. It sucks to lose someone like that.
I know, but making room for better friendships is worth it.
You're right. It's time to move on.
Good for you. You deserve friends who actually care.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.